Should you be getting a haircut or a trim, or are they the exact same thing? Well, today I'm going to break down and help explain to you kind of what the difference is, if there even is any, and what should you be saying when you're going in for a haircut. In my experience of being in the industry for many, many years, over 25 years, I've had numerous clients or just random walk-ins or people come in saying, oh, I just want a trim. I don't want a haircut. So here's what's happening. If I'm doing the same exact technique or method to cut your hair, it doesn't matter what you call it, but I'm cutting your hair. A trim, in my opinion, is literally the amount of hair that I'm taking off, but it's still a haircut, okay? And I've had people in the past try to finagle a cheaper price by saying, oh, just trim it, I don't need a full haircut. You need a full haircut. Like, okay, a bang trim or a fringe trim, that's one thing. You still have to pay for that, and that could take at least maybe 20 minutes to a half an hour. So you're still paying for the person's time. But when you're going in, please keep in mind that you're not going to be getting a cheaper price just because you say you want a trim or just the ends, you don't want a full haircut. We and other professionals have to go through the same exact methods, techniques to trim every single hair on your head, as opposed to if they were cutting off 3 inches or 2 inches, whatever it is. So please keep that in mind, all right? Like, for example, if you come in or you go into your professional, you say, I love my hair, I just want a trim, just clean it up. That's one thing. And say, when I say trim, I mean just take a little bit off. It's a full haircut, just you're really trimming the ends. You're taking a little bit off, maybe like 3/4 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch or half an inch, whatever it is you want. Say or just show them, say, I want this much taken off, the most bare minimum, just to trim up and clean up the dead ends. That's the kind of terminology and verbiage you want to say. Take this other extreme right here, okay? If you have hair like this and you go in and you say, or show a picture, yeah, I want a haircut like this. You can't say, I want a trim. From this to this is not a trim. It's a full-on makeover haircut. So regardless, even if your hair was this short and you go in and you say, yeah, I just, clean it up, I want a haircut, trim it up, you're basically doing the same motions throughout the entire head, but it's still a haircut. So when you are thinking about that, please respect our time as professionals and realize a trim really is a haircut. Trimming is a technique. Just like if you were, mowing the lawn, okay? Are you trimming the lawn? Are you mowing the lawn? What are you doing? You're still cutting the damn grass, okay? So in our situation, we are cutting hair. It's a full haircut. Trim means it's just we're taking less off. So please keep that in mind. Now let me know in the comments below, have you ever gone in and said, I want a trim, I just want a little bit taken off, and they go and butcher your entire hair, head? I know that's happened, or you've actually made the mistake of wanting a full-on massive haircut and you simply say, I just want a trim, and they take such a little amount off, but you're like, my hair still looks like this, but I want it to look like this. So you have to really understand, just use the word, I need a haircut. This is the kind of haircut I'm looking for. If you're looking for something and you just want to trim up the ends, clean it up, say, I'm just looking to take as little off as possible, clean up the dead ends, keep the length, I'm trying to grow it out. It's all about the verbiage you say. So give that a try. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.